Good day to you, ma'am and sir. Let me introduce you myself. I'm Shirley, 36 years old, married, have two daughters, 13 and 15. My parents will look after my daughter when I work abroad, college level, undergraduate. I don't have tattoo, no food allergy, no body operation. I have been working experience abroad in Dubai for 2 years. My main duty taking care of the children, cleaning, and assist employer to preparing the foods. And I have also experience in Kuwait for 5 years. My main duty is cooking and cleaning. And I also have experience in Hong Kong for 10 months. My employer terminated me for good reason. My main duty is cooking and cleaning. And previous employer, mom, I worked in 12 months. I break my contract. My main duty, cleaning, cooking. Ma'am and sir, if you hired me as domestic helper, I'm good person, hardworking. You can trust me to take care of your children if you are not at home. I'm good in cooking also, ma'am. I can cook Chinese food. I can cook Italian pasta. I can cook Western pasta. I can cook Arabic food if you want to try to eat. Most of all, ma'am, I follow your rules, regulation at home. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. God bless.